Hi, this is Raisa. Welcome back to my channel, and today we're gonna do a review on this new product, the Sunglow by Fresh, their cream tinted sunscreen versus my all-time favorite, the It Cosmetics CC Cream. This is my holy grail product. I love this so much, so let's get started! I'm gonna compare the two products. First is the price. For the It Cosmetics CC Cream, this is about $40. That's about 2,500 pesos for the full size. This one is 32 ml. The travel size is 12 ml, and this is about 900 to 1,000 pesos. While the Sunglow is 429 pesos for 50 ml. This is very affordable. For the packaging, this both comes with a pump. I'm gonna show you this one. So it's very nice because it's easy to just press. Basta, the pump. And for the shade range, the It Cosmetics comes in 12 shades, but the most popular ones are the light, medium, and tan. The Sunglow comes in 3 shades, the light, medium, and tan. For both products, I'm in the shade medium. Both have SPF 50 with UVA, UVB protection. Both are suitable for all skin types, but I don't recommend the It Cosmetics for those who have very oily skin. So for the key ingredients of the Sunglow, I'm gonna read it. It has Centella asiatica, which boosts antioxidants that help treat skin impurities, sunflower oil, which promotes moisture retention in the skin, and niacinamide, my favorite ingredient, which improves pore appearance, uneven skin tone, fine lines, wrinkles, and dullness. While the It Cosmetics, I'll just read from the Sephora site. For the It Cosmetics CC Cream, it has collagen, which enhances visible elasticity for a youthful appearance, peptides, which helps reduce the appearance of wrinkles, and hyaluronic acid, which locks in moisture, supports visible elasticity, and diminishes the look of fine lines and wrinkles. Both are lightweight. They don't feel heavy on the skin. So the It Cosmetics is an all-in-one product. That's why I love this so much. It has color corrector, it fills in your pores, and also it has SPF. It's anti-aging, it has skincare benefits, and it's cruelty-free and paraben-free. While the Sunglow Tinted Moisturizer, this claims to last all day. It's lightweight, comfortable, and it gives you that radiant, glowy skin. And also, I'm not sure if this is paraben sulfate-free. So this is the It Cosmetics CC Cream. I absolutely love this product. I've been using this for a few years now. I actually finished the full size. So I'm gonna do a comparison. I'm gonna apply the CC Cream on one side and the Sunglow on the other side. So you just need a little, I'm gonna put it in the back of my hands. It's a little bit thick, but you can shear it out. And for me, the best way to apply this is using your fingers. So I'll apply this on this side. So you just apply first before you blend it. You just need a little amount. A little goes a long way. And then blend. So you press the product into your skin. This blends smoothly. So I'm a little bit tan now, so I think this is a little bit lighter on me, but I think this is the It Cosmetics CC Cream on this side, and as you can see, it already covered some redness, some acne scars, but it's not really full coverage. For me, this is medium coverage. This lasts me whole day with minimal retouch. So you can just spot conceal after, and you can add if you want full coverage, but this is enough for me, and this is really good for everyday use. I'm just gonna spot conceal a bit. So you just conceal the parts that need to be covered, like discoloration, acne scars, just the areas where you need it. I really love the finish of this. It gives you that glowy, dewy look. It's not matte, but it's not too dewy. It's just perfect for me. So this truly is your skin, but better. So on the other side, I'm gonna do the Sunglow. So in the Sunglow, I'm also in the shade medium. So I'll just put a little amount. This one has a thicker consistency, but you just need a small amount for the face. Apply first before you blend it. And just add as you go. So this one also gives you a medium coverage. And it has a light scent, but it's not too strong. So again, a little goes a long way. I actually got too much product. The Sunglow side. So this is the Sunglow side. The product is easy to blend. Now I'm done with this one. Is the both are lightweight, doesn't feel heavy on the skin, and they feel it's not sticky. It dries down to matte, but it's not dewy. I'm just gonna set my face with my favorite RCMA loose powder, and I'm using this new brush from Kind Beauty. This is my new favorite. It's very soft. I'm gonna do a review soon. Set everything. So whether you're oily or you're dry, you have to set your face, especially with our weather. So just set it. Really good. And then, that's it. So I love both products. As you can see, there's not much of a difference. This is the Sunglow side, and this is the IT Cosmetics side. Maybe I just like the IT Cosmetics a little bit more than the Sunglow. Both blends beautifully, and they don't feel heavy on the skin. It's very lightweight. It gives you a nice, healthy glow. This one, this is what I use if I go out or like everyday makeup. This is my favorite, and I just recently discovered this, and so far I've been loving this. I didn't recommend this before because it's hard to find since I got this from the States. You can order this from online shops. The good thing about the Sunglow is that this is available in the Philippines. You can order in Lazada or any Watsons near you, and it's very, very affordable. So for the price, I highly recommend this product. For only 429 pesos, this is a very, very good product, and it's actually comparable to my favorite IT Cosmetics CC cream. It's just that this is cheaper, way cheaper than this one. You guys should try it. So that's it, guys. If you like this review, show some love. Please like and subscribe for more videos. Leave a comment below. And I'll see you on my next video. Thank you for watching. Bye!